Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some more Roblox, and I haven't done commentary on this game yet. So I thought maybe I should do some commentary on this because, I mean, I haven't done commentary on. Like I just said, I haven't done commentary, and it just gets kind of plain. It's just like a video uploaded earlier today was just me winning. I mean, it's fun and all, but like it's just a little boring. So I thought I would do commentating. I'm gonna land ski slope because I actually know there's some pretty good loot there. But I don't know if that guy's landing the castle. Look at that. That's a beagle. Nerd. Oh crap, he's ready. Oh my god, that was actually so sketch. Alright, well, we're weak as hell. I'm just gonna. Oh my god, that's brutal. Oh, there's a shoddy. There's a shoddy, dude. Already. Oh, there's armor. Like, I need. Here, hold up. Mine zone? Yeah. There's a lot of shooting going on down here. Dude, I see these people. I thought I hit him, but like it wasn't his shield getting knocked off, it was just him getting shit. Dude, I can't hit a shot. I couldn't hit a shot to save my life, honestly. Listen, go down there. Okay. Yeah, I couldn't hit a shot to save my damn life, dude. But hey, we got a shotgun. But hey, we're also weak as hell, so we're probably gonna die, but it's fine. Hey, how you doing? Just fine. I lied. I'm dying inside. Why did I put the silencer on that? I thought it was an extended mag, and I was like, oh hell yeah, because I miss all my shotgun shots in this game. So I thought it would be nice, but I need health packs, dude. And I swear, if there is people in here, there's not. It's fine. Okay, dude, I need some health packs. There's got to be some in here. There's more armor. Finding armor is like almost as good as finding health packs, but we're still really weak. It would be nice to also have health. And is it possible to? No, I don't think it is. So no, it's. Ooh. Oh, he saw me. He missed every shot. Oh, there's another! This guy's obviously trash. Got another. Give me. Yes, he had health packs, Back here. Someone. Yep, there he is. I'm getting spammed right now, dude. Dude, I told you! Shotguns are so bad in this game. He's one shot! Dude, come on. I told you shotgun. I told you guys. I can't hit a shot to save my life in this game. I couldn't hit a shotgun shot to freaking save my life in this game. I just can't hit shots. It's just not my thing. Like, in Fortnite I can. I don't know why, but my accuracy is great in Fortnite. Like, with aim assist or not, but it just teared up. So I'm tier 9. I have this stupid hat that I want to wear. And that's so weird. You know what? That actually looks pretty good because you can't see the outside of the helmet, so it looks like he would just put that on top of his helmet. Okay, yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, I'm gonna use this one. Tickets. Yo, by 1 tier off the Yeti. Free battle pass. Honestly, I would get the battle pass, but it's 800 Robux. If it was like 400 or 300, I'd probably get it. But like, nah. Max is 400. 800, no. That's just a waste. Because like in Fortnite, it's like $10 or 15 if you're in Australia like me to buy 1,000 V-Bucks to get the battle pass. But like, yeah, if you're not, God damn it, I can't speak. But like in Roblox, it costs to get 800. Here, let me check real quick. To get 800 Robux, it costs $14 American. Wait, no. Yeah. Wait. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Oh, I thought 400 was. Oh, so it's like the same price. Because usually AU is Australian, I think US is American. I don't know, but. Like, it's Robux. But Robux is in my opinion, better than Fortnite. You know, maybe I should buy the Battle Pass. I want to buy the Battle Pass because there's some good stuff in there. And that guy bought that mask. Are you serious, brother? I like landing at these little towns. They're nice to land at. I wonder if we'll win a game today. We probably won't, but hey, we can dream. And other people landed here because it was the first drop. And here's one person. Ain't even looking at me. We clapped him still. To said clap them, but hey, we killed him. And that's all that matters. And I hear a person. I don't know if this. Yeah, he only has a pistol. He ain't a threat. Little stand in the corner. Alright, well, I hope everyone else has only a pistol, but I bet you this guy that I saw over here has literally anything but a pistol. Oh, dude, I can't find a gun. Can't find any gun that's not a pistol, dude. I think these houses have been looted. Nah, these must have been looted. Dude, how can I not find a gun? Hey, what's that? I think that's just a deagle. Oh, it's a guy right there. And he landed over there, which means he has loot. Yep, he has loot. Okay. Maybe I can, like... Oh, yes, another. Yo, can I pistol this guy, do you guys reckon? Do you reckon he's gonna know I'm in here? He didn't know. He didn't know. Wait, does he? He does. Dude, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm actually dead. He thinks I went outside, dude! Where'd you think I went, buddy? Dude! Dude. Oh my god. Dude, if he... No, please. Oh my god, I actually beat him! Dude, you're so bad. You're actually so horrible. But I'm about to get bopped. Dude, how did he not beat me with a shotgun and an SMG? Oh my god, dude. I can't believe we even won that fight. But we gotta find meds, dude. We gotta find... Zone hates me. I swear, Zone literally hates me. Okay, there's armor and some ammo. But we need health. Like, we need those health packs. That's what we need, and we need a bit more armor. Dude, that was so sketch. Can't believe we even won that fight. Like, all I wanted to do was get him down to, like, white health. But I literally killed him, and I don't know why some trees float in this game. It's weird. But not every Roblox game is perfect. No Roblox game is perfect, honestly. And what is that? That's the church. I thought that was a castle, but like the castle's all the way over here. We need meds. I hear someone medding. I need those meds more than you. But like, that's not the point of this game. So. Oh, dude, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, I hear people. But like the mechanics of this game are just weird. Like you can hear people from a mile away. Like you can hear people's katana swishing when they're like all the way over there. For example, like I can hear him when he's all the way over there. It's really weird. And like sometimes when they're in front of you, they like you can hear them behind you. Like I can hear that guy behind me, but even though he's in front of me, and I'm gonna the key is to go up backwards on these stairs because you go slower. You go up them normally. And I thought that was extended mag. That sees me. I'm running. I'm gone. And there's another guy. Yeah, look, you go up weirdly. Mom. Do you reckon he's gonna rush? Do you reckon he has the balls? Oh yeah, he has the balls. I don't know. I think that guy saw me. Yeah, he would have seen me. And I thought you could walk on this game, but I never tried it out. But hey, there's my answer. You can't. Dude, I was actually so close to hitting. That was so close, and here comes Zone. Okay, bye. Bye, buddy. I'm gone. I gotta rush this kid right now. Because it's now or never. Oh, he's got meds. He's got meds. He's got meds. No, please. Storm. Storm. Please. Please. Mum, let me live if you love me. No, he's right here. No. Dude. He's just gonna let me die in here, dude. He's that dog. No, never mind. He's gonna finish me. 556 kills, eh? It seems a little fishy. But, I don't know. Everything's fishy to me. Like, the only thing that's not fishy in my eyes is fish. I don't know why I felt the urge to say that. I just wanted to make a joke. Maybe it means, like, their stats, like, kills. I've got 107. So maybe when I kill someone, it says I've got 107 kills. But, man, I was just that guy, like, 557 kills on damage. I've done 27,000 damage, and I only started playing yesterday. And I've got 5 wins, and I only started playing yesterday. So that's within more than 24 hours now, but when I uploaded that 4th win, that was within 24 hours. This game is just full of bots. Like, there are a lot of sweats, and sometimes you get really unlucky, but most of the time they're just really, really bad. And they're bots, and I want the Yeti. That's all I want. I could grind to get it, but I can... Oh, that's another armor style. I don't even know what I'm gonna be able to grind to. I don't even know when the season started. Oh, what's that? Oh, push-ups. You get sit-ups and push-ups if you have the battle pass. Okay, that's sick. I want that. I want that set, dude. The stuff in the battle pass is so good, but I wonder if you get challenges. But it's like, every time you level up, you don't get more XP. Like, you don't get a bigger XP to go to level up. Or maybe I just don't look at it. But like, level 10 now, and I still only have to do 300. Like, so 300 XP. If you're like at tier 35, you gotta at least be pretty decent. You could get like 300 XP every like 2 games, or I get it every 2 games. So if you're a pro, unlike me, you get it every like game. And you could just beat that. I guess that's why there's no challenges. But I want this. This is tier 60 though. I really want that though. That would be really sick. That is a girl's thing. Oh, yo, it's the plague. Yo, I want that, but that's tier 80, dude. Cyclops, excuse me? Electrocute. Oh, nah. I have to buy this battle pass just for that. Just for that. What's tier 100? So tier 100 free. Space Assassin, the helmet, Sinister. Oh, that's pretty good. Hacker, Retro Smile. Tier 100 sucks, but you get the backflip emote if you get tier 95. Maybe there is like challenges because they would make it harder for the people without the battle pass, or the buy the battle pass so they can get the rewards a bit easier. But like, I don't know. Why? Like, where would you go onto the challenges? Cause I don't know, dude. But you can ping stuff in this game, and Epic. I mean, not Epic. Apex originally came up with that, so that's why I think this is Apex. And also, there's double jump and there's no fall damage. It's more realistic because it's not just a bunch of robots running around in a simulation. It's just real life shooting. But like, anyway, enough talking. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I'll tell them a story, they'll sit and nod their heads. I'll tell you all my secrets, and you tell all your friends.